Yeah. You gotta do a low pass.
Yeah, here comes Daddy's helicopter. There it is. You see it? You see it?
Sounds quieter than
She hears all these stories.
Oh, that part was okay. It was like something. Oh, they put that over a hole. Is that the All right, everybody get over and grab. You want to help? A play?
Actually, it looks like there's more there. Like it's got more headroom back there.
So that's with all that junk stuff.
Yeah, it's just.
I mean, it's the same. They haven't changed anything with the body. I mean, it's just the tail.
It just looks more room back there. We just haven't been in that other
And
one.
to me, this looks.
And there is, you know what there is, because they have that up higher. That's up higher.
No, but Lowell
they're gonna
said,
keep it, right.
yeah, because it's sealed. I guess
Right.
when they first saw it, it wasn't sealed.
Right. Yeah, we don't have any way. You're right.
There's holes back here.
Drill in or they can secure something.
Yeah, it looks like you could put something in, like
Yeah.
they're drilled in there for.
Mounts.
Yeah, there's one. There's one. There's two. Cool. This little
You
thing's
guys
back
always
here.
these guys always get the nice seats.